Hey gardening fan, welcome back to our channel. We are showing you guys a special video of a behind the scenes photo shoot of our gender reveal. This is going to be a special one because a lot of you guys don't know, so let's get into it. So I know how shirt colors kind of give the reveal away, but technically we did our reveal at the actual OBGYN office. It was just me and Denzel together, and we just kind of let our family and friends know what we were having. But I also wanted to do an official photo shoot and just kind of make things a little bit more professional looking. So Faye was with it. He's a photographer. It was easy peasy in our backyard, so why not? So we're just going to take you on the behind the scenes of how we did it and just kind of show the process. Here are the final pics that came out from baby girl's photo shoot. We can't wait to share her with the world. We will see you on the next video. Bye guys.